Today I wanted to explain the solution to the problem 7.30 in homework 10. For this problem, we need to get a dynamic model of the pressure P with the pressure P1 and P2 as the given inputs. So firstly, we need to analyze the figure, and from this figure we can get PA, 3PA, and that can be ignored ignored. On the left side, we can get the P1 and come through the resistors to get P with the M1 dot mass flow. And on the right side, we can get P2 here and go through the resistors with the M2 dot mass flows. These two mass flows combine in the middle and flow into the capacitance to create MST dot. So we can know the mass flow relationship is here. Then we need to write the equations about three components in this systems. There are two resistors and one capacitance. For the resistor 1, on the left, we can get P1 minus P equals to R times M1 dot, and we get the M1 dot equals P1 minus P over R. For the R2, we can get a similar equation, and then we analyze C MST dot equals derivative of the rho V, and rho is a constant, so we can move it out of the derivative. And from the figure, we can get only the value of the top of the capacitors changes. So we can write dV into A times dx. So we can get rho A times dx over dt. Combines these four equations, we can get the models of the x and the p, but we only need the p, so we need remove the x. So we analyze the mechanical systems of this problem, and we have a spring, and because of rho gh is small, so the two sides of the plate, the force in the two sides of the plate should be provided by the kx and the p. So we can get this. We can get mx double dot equals 0 from the problem because x double dot is small. So we write down kx on the top of the plate and p times a on the bottom of the plate. So we get x equals to pa over k. So then we just plug this equation into the previous one, and we can get rho a times a over k times rho p over dt equals to pe minus p over r plus p2 minus p over r. Then we only need to move p to the left side. Then we can get the final equation. So that's my explanation of the problem. Thank you for watching.